Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch S, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, you will see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here we can scroll through the list by swiping left and right on the screen, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it. Let's say we want to apply this one. So let's tap on it, and the watch face will be applied. You can also customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on Customize, and here we can change the complications, basically the data on the watch face, and you can tap on one of the pools, change it to something you like. And once you're done setting up your watch face, you can press the Crown button to apply the changes. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. So let me grab the phone that is paired with my watch, bring it here, zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen. A bit more. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the OHealth application. In the app, you will see the home page. Now tap on Device. And here you have My Faces category. You can scroll through it, find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it, then tap Set as Watch Face, and the watch face will be applied, as you can see. But you can also tap on watch faces right here, and here you can download additional watch faces. Basically, you have watch face store. You can browse through the different categories, look for something you would like to use as your watch face, and once you find it, you can tap on it, and then you can tap on Apply. It will start downloading, and then after it's done, it will apply on your watch. And here we have it. As you can see, it was applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.